Hi, I'm DUI attorney Nick Alcock. If you've been arrested for a DUI and you had a court date, City of Phoenix, and you missed that court date, there's probably a warrant for your arrest. So if you get pulled over, you're driving around, there's a warrant for your arrest, you're likely to get hauled into jail. There's a simple way to pay a bond at the City of Phoenix and to resolve that warrant. I'm going to tell you how to do it. First of all, the court is at 300 West Washington. Okay, 300 West Washington is where the City of Phoenix court is. Look at the ticket that you have. If it tells you need to go to 300 West Washington, that's the City of Phoenix Municipal Court. That's where all the cases from the City of Phoenix are handled that are misdemeanors. If a City of Phoenix police officer arrests you, that's where you have to go for a misdemeanor. Before you go to that court, though, if there is a warrant for your arrest, I urge you to call this number. It's 262-6421, 262-6421. Call that number and find out what your bond amount is. They'll tell you over the phone what the bond is. Don't worry, it's not going to be used against you that you called in to find out what the bond is. Usually it's a good idea to get that money in cash. Go down to 300 West Washington. You walk through the security. Don't worry, they're not going to arrest you. They're not going to ask you what your name is. Get a number. Wait for them to call your number. Do not go to a courtroom. Don't go to the second floor. Don't go to the third floor. You just want to say, I want to pay a bond. You don't have to say who for. You just say, hey, I'd like to pay a bond, please. They're going to give you a number or just pull a number. And when they call your number, go up to the window. Say, I'd like to pay a bond. And for this individual, they're going to say, okay, it's X number of dollars. You pay the money, and they will resolve it for you and get you another court date. So many people are just freaked out about the idea of going to court when they have a warrant. It's how it works. The system depends on people resolving cases on their own. And the system will allow you to show up and pay your own bond. If you feel a little bit queasy about it, you can send a family member. They can post a bond for you. But bear in mind that when it's time for the money to be returned, it's not going to go to you. It's going to go to the posting party. If you have any questions about a DUI bond in the City of Phoenix, you can give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number. 602-989-5000 is our number. I'm happy to speak with you about any DUI case in Arizona. My name is Nick Alcock, the owner of Alcock & Associates. Thanks so much for watching.